Good health is the most important thing. More than power, more than money, more than success, more than anything and everything. This is what Lee Strasberg says. For good health, of course, you have to need a good food. But in reality, you can't avoid the temptation to eat biscuits. Right from the period when Romans invented biscuits, we have a long relationship with taste buds and biscuits. Then make a wise choice of choosing biscuits. There is no better choice than this. This has dietary fiber and doesn't has maida or sugar and full made up of wheat and milk. Hi mom and dad, are you skipping your diet? And skipping your breakfast? We don't let you do that again. Take a coffee and dip your tasty plastic biscuit in it and take a bite. Enjoy the real taste of biscuits.